Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to translate a page in Notion without using external apps. So it's really simple. So from your homepage on Notion, head to the page that you want to translate. So I'm looking at my list on the side. So I'm going to have a look at this weekly to-do list, and maybe I want to translate this to another language. So all you have to do is click on the three dots in the top right hand corner, scroll down, and you should see a section that says translate. So English is normally the default language, but you can translate pages to any supported languages, as you can see, like Danish, Dutch, Finnish, French, Hebrew, Norwegian, Thai, and many more. So that's how you translate a page in Notion. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you soon.